Alright, buddy, this is the February box for the Collector Corps, Marvel Collector Corps. And they're getting rid of the subscription, so the last one I'm going to be opening is the Infinity Wars.
Yes.
Here's this one, Animal Instinct. This is for February. I know we're a little late, but here we go.
Better late than
Using
never.
ice again, my trusty little sword. Let's see what's in here. So like always, they have a comic book artwork on the inside. Right there we see Black Panther, the Rhino.
Squirrel Girl?
Yeah, Squirrel Girl. No?
No, I thought that
That's
was...
Rocket Raccoon.
No, in that corner.
Okay, that's Squirrel Girl up there. Chubby face. And Rhino again. The first thing in here is... I'm going to put this over here. Is a t-shirt. You want to open the t-shirt?
Sure. The t-shirt is... Dude!
I like the colors.
It's Howard the Duck! I love Howard the Duck!
Not too bad, because that's mine!
Wait! I saw Howard the Duck. Who's...
Some girl.
Some...
So he's a detective. So it's a damsel in distress. So he's gonna help
Damsel
out.
in distress? Dude! That's awesome! What size is this?
Medium.
This is a size medium. They seem like they run on the large side.
Yes, they do. Okay, you can hold it. Then we got... Never seen one of these in one of these boxes, but we got a wobbler.
A wobbler?
A Black Panther wobbler. Let's open it and check it out. Wow. I can't be like those people that open the boxes on the Funko channel because they can just tear open the box if they wanted to. Oh, that's a little low. There you go.
It wobbles. I like that.
I like it.
It seems like something you can put in your car dashboard.
That's pretty cool.
I like that.
Okay, what's next, Mandy Pad?
Rocket Raccoon, pen and notepad. And Squirrel Girl patch. That's awesome. Can I have this one?
No, it's going on the thing we're making.
Do we know yet
Yeah.
what we're putting all the patches on?
No, but eventually.
I like that. And can I take this to... No, people steal my stuff at work sometimes. Rocket Raccoon. We need to show Bear one day. He looks like Rocket Raccoon. And notepad. What's next?
You can't touch this. This is the last one in the box, Mandy Pad. And
Here's the Funko Pop.
The final thing is...
That's the final
I
thing?
was not expecting this to be the
Rhino?
Funko Pop. I thought it was going to be a little more like maybe Black Panther or
Black
something.
Panther has the Funko Pop.
So let's open this guy.
Mister. Those are the ears.
Those are the rhinoceros eyes.
Those are rhinoceros eyes.
Yeah, he's mad. He's angry.
Oh. Huh.
Oh, I like the way this feels. Almost feels like rhinoceros skin. Not that I would know what it feels like, 'cause I've never touched one, but
Yeah, it's definitely not smooth.
this is pretty cool.
I like the detail on the Black Panther.
And this is what's on the back of the box. Which we have the top 3 of those. We don't have any of the bottom ones.
Okay, what do you think? Was that a good box?
It was a pretty good box. We'll see how the Infinity Wars is. I just hope it's not that Thanos on the spaceship. That'll be ridiculous. I won't be too happy if it's Thanos on the spaceship.
I like the patch. I like Howard the Duck. I like Black Panther. I like Rocky Raccoon. I don't know much about Rhino, honestly. Okay, then. You like?
Yeah, I like it. I just hope the next box doesn't have Thanos because his Funko Pop version looks like a purple testicle head.
Oh, it's a Mister.
Alright, bye everybody.
Bye.